This is a knee spin. I'll show you what it looks like first. So I'm on static pull, but this can be on spin pull as well. Same mechanics will go into it, but you'll just put less oomph into it if you're on spin mode on your pull. So this is static, and I'll break it down so your inside arm is high. And you always want your arm externally rotated when you lift up, and then internally rotate the forearm to grab up high. That will allow your shoulder blade to wrap around the ribs and engage on your back, right where you need it. And you're gonna pull up with your pelvic floor, so your abs are doing work. Inside footsteps forward. And then outside leg comes around as your hand comes around at chest height. And then the inside of the knee is gonna grab the pole. Once my knee is grabbed, I'm gonna lean into it, and then other leg lifts, pinch the pole, or squeeze the pole between my knees. Walking into it is a good idea. 1 or 2 walks. Take the outside leg out and around, grab the pole, knees on the pole. Land on your tippy toes to come on out. So you can do it where you touch first, and then the other leg comes off. Or if you're feeling fancy, spin, and then hook the knees mid-air. Land on the tippy toes, pivot out to stand. Let me know how it goes.